Hello guys, on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to import images on in Pixel app. So to do that is very easy. You have to open the application. After you have opened the application, you always pop up something like this. So for you to import a picture on Pixel app, you need to use this plus sign that you see up here and click on Form Gallery. After you have clicked on Form Gallery, you have to choose any design that you wish to use for this. For example, let me say I want to use this design. You always show up something like this, so you have to put it on the dimension that you want. So there are a lot of options that Pixel Lab have made available for us. So let's just say I wanted to resize it myself. What do? You touch these corners that you see down here. All you have to do is to touch at the edge, then you drag it up. Then you see how it's gonna resize itself. Yeah, something like that. So when you are done, you click on this tick sign up here. Down there at the edge is gonna import. So what next you have to do is to shape it to the dimension or to the position that you want to do. Which to do that, you have to touch this big round circle at the edge like that. Immediately it's gonna resize and you touch it to position it wherever you want to do. So that is it for today's tutorial, how to import image in Pixel app. See you next class on next tutorial.